Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy CameraManFrank. Today we out here, we got my cousin over here, Tater here. We actually about to take the Scat back for a ride. It's actually gonna be his very first ride in a Scat pack. Yeah. So with that being said, let's get into it. Oh, man, you ready? Oh, man.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like I took the traction off. Nigga, what else you did? Got a whole ass in, and you don't know what you. I can tell you know what you're doing though.
Yeah, I'm getting that. Yeah,
I can tell you know what you're doing. I seen you tiptoeing with that big in that bit right, dog. Okay.
Can't let that big get loose.
Okay, I see you, boy. We could have pulled some shit out for this parking lot real quick. We tearing up parking lot, nigga, for hey.
Traction still off. That bitch screaming. I thought it was a Hellcat for a second.
Hey, that mother screaming, bro.
Stop playing with it, Jit.
Hey,
oh my God.
That thing screaming. That Scat scream, y'all.
Man.
Sound like Emma said, help!
Bro, if you had a Scat pack, comment below how long would your tires last, bro? How long would yours last?
Man, my tires will last probably a month.
You think so? Damn, bro.
I'll be burning out every day. I'm gonna keep it real.
I think, bro, for me,
my first set of tires, I already be like, yeah, I'm ready to throw them away. I wouldn't even be counting them.
Right, you just gonna burn
those
like,
throwaways.
Right.
Those throwaways, those first set throwaways.
Cause like, as soon as you get the Scat pack, you gotta burn some.
Facts.
Those like, bro, like, you done waited that long, you done grinded for the car.
Bro, those
you ain't gonna burn out.
Those first set of tires, I promise, man. Those straight, like, tester tires.
So right now what we're doing is turning around. We're actually about to do a nice little 0 to 60 pull. See?
That bitch got power. Hold up. That bitch got power. Shit, that bitch got power. That bitch will do. That bitch still growling. That bitch mad. That bitch
Stop
That
playing.
bitch mad, bro. That bitch mad. That bitch mad. Oh, that boy, they hit it straight past the OPD station. You don't give a damn.
Hey, man, I wish we could
come get me, huh?
Outside view right now. That should be crazy, bro. We gotta get some outside shots.
We got to.
Bro, you ready? Bro, we finna get some outside shots. This not gonna be the only thing we get for y'all.
Let's do some outside shots. I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, man. So now it's time to do some outside action with this bad boy.
Oh yeah. Fuck it. I'm eating gravel. Fuck it.
Man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I burned out the tires enough for you guys. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe. But yeah, man, I think I'm gonna let the car cool down. We did enough damage. I gotta get a little better with my drifting skills and burnouts. But yeah, man, like I said, comment, like, and subscribe. And we got a lot of dope content on the way.